Google is close to finalizing its Android 14 release and will soon be announcing the stable build for the public. For the last few years, Samsung has worked closely with Google to get as many bugs squashed as possible so that they don't impact the company's Galaxy smartphones and tablets. News reports point to a One UI 6.0 beta release happening for select Samsung Galaxy S23 models in the next few weeks. And with that, we have also learned of a new and updated list of smartphones and tablets that are slated to receive the big Android 14 update. And while we don't have official launch dates for these updates, thanks to Sam Mobile, we do know which devices are going to be updated. So let's start with the Samsung Galaxy S series. If you own the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the S23 Plus, or the base model of the Galaxy S23, then you can rest assured that it will get the update to One UI 6.0. The same goes for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the S22 Plus, and the S22 as well. All of those are scheduled to be updated to Android 14. And last up, if you own the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the S21 Plus, the S21, or the S21 FE, then you will also be getting the update to Android 14 as well. Next up, we have the company's foldable devices in the Galaxy Z series. So if you own the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Z Flip 4, the Z Fold 3, or the Z Flip 3, then you will be getting the update to One UI 6. Samsung's low-end to mid-range A series phones are also on the list of eligible devices, with the Galaxy A73, A72, A54, A53, A52, the A34, A33, the Galaxy A24, A23, A14, A13, and the Galaxy A04s are all on the docket to be updated with One UI 6.0 when it has been made available to the public. The Samsung Galaxy M series is also going to be getting a few updates. So those of you with the Galaxy M54, M53 5G, M33 5G, and the M23, you will all be receiving that official over-the-air update. As we get close to wrapping up this list of smartphones, anyone with the Galaxy F54, F23, F14 5G, and the Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, you will also all be seeing the update to One UI 6.0 based on Android 14. Sadly, the company's tablets tend to not get the same amount of love as their smartphones do. However, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and the base model of the Galaxy Tab S8 will all be getting updated to One UI 6. And as mentioned before, there hasn't been an official release schedule made public for these devices yet, so we don't know exactly when they will be getting updated. It should be pointed out, though, that Samsung usually schedules these updates for its newest devices first, and as we're seeing with the first beta release, the Galaxy S23 series will be the first to receive it. I also want to say that this list isn't etched in stone just yet. Samsung does have a history of releasing the next big Android update to a large number of devices, so we could end up seeing this rolled out to even more smartphones and tablets once a majority of those that I mentioned earlier have received it. The first of these firmware updates recently appeared on Samsung's internal servers and was listed with the firmware number ending in ZWG6. A few days later, we saw firmware numbers ending in ZWG8 and then ZWGA. The progression of that last character going from a number to a letter shows that the first beta test for One UI 6 based on Android 14 is close. Many had expected to hear something about it from the Galaxy Unpacked event that happened yesterday, but with that not happening, rumors currently point to an August 2nd release date for the first public beta.